we have a 39 Plymouth 5-window coupe here at Unique Classic Cars. This is a running driving project. It does run well. A low oil pressure is one of the symptoms that we ran into. The seller states that it is well equipped with aluminum radiator, aluminum water pump, electric windows, low car shifter. It is a Mopar 360 under the hood with high dome pistons, a Transco shift kit, 6-bolt Sprague, power steering, power brakes, Magnum wheels, as you can see, custom exhaust. It's got a flat paint finish, as you can also see. Battery is behind the driver. Under the front end, we've got tubular control arms. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. We're going to take it around the parking lot so you can hear it run. It does run and drive.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1939 Plymouth 5-window, and we're doing this just so you can hear it run. We're going to putt around the parking lot a little bit, and also mention this car comes with extensive receipts. It is an automatic transmission, shifted right here on the floor with a nice new automatic shifter. Comes with some extra parts. Let's see how she does there. So our water temperature is 140. The volts are charging over 14. Fuel tank is just under half. Speedometer appears to be working. Those are from Autometer. The issue is our oil pressure is around 10 psi. So we're just going to put her on a little, let you know that it works. Steers easily. The power windows work. Comfortable cloth bench seat in this car. Nice looking bones. Got a rear view mirror. Got a radio, I cannot hear it, but we do have a radio installed. Up here, SunPro tachometer also working. Take a look at all the pictures of this car. Contact us with any questions at 507-386-1726. We can arrange transportation. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.